Hi guys, we're out in my garden and we're just going to test the Jeep Cherokee with the alternative gear ratio that I found when I took the gearbox apart. Now when I tried to run the car on the grass the other day, it just couldn't cope, it just ground to a halt. So I'm hoping it should actually be able to move this time. So we'll give it a go. Yeah, that looks okay. I'll adjust the camera a bit. So this is just in my back garden. Not sure about the range I get because I'm only using the little controller that I found matched the 27 megahertz receiver. It might not look like much, but that is a 100% improvement. It couldn't make any headway at all before, whereas now it's actually able to drive over that grass. So still nowhere near a proper hobby grade rock crawler, but at least it goes. The camera a bit. Rubbish driving, Grandad. Can't get up heavy lumps. Big jumps like that, can't get up the bricks. Nah. Well, it works. So, yeah, lower gearing, we got a bit more power getting to the wheels. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Car. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.